I've gone a little crazy here. I'm getting rid of everything in the fridge that was like a little sus. Like this lunch meat. And we had a lot of Swiss cheese, like another 2 packs. Whoops. And so I'm making a fast quiche in a disposable pan. I buy a lot of these in bulk to give away. Anyway, I did the ham and the Swiss. I put in dried onions because once they hit anything liquid, they act just like a regular onion. I put a little dollop of sour cream in. There's 7 eggs in here. But see that white stuff? I decided to try something. The little clumps are the sour cream. It didn't get dissolved. Anyway, I put a tablespoon of cornstarch in this, and I will let you know how it turns out. It's supposed to make things more fluffy, so I'm gonna try it in a quiche. Why not? Here goes nothing. Look how puffy she is. She's coming up and over. Look at that. Now I know quiche do settle down when you take them out of the oven, but they never start off like so puffy. And that was the tablespoon of cornstarch. Woohoo! Here he comes. I need you to try something. You heard me laughing.
It wasn't that hard to convince, was I?
No, here. Okay, it's the quiche that was in there.
What's in it?
Just lunch meat, ham, Swiss. We had so much Swiss cheese. And I did some dried onion. But look how fluffy it is.
Oh my, good boy.
Let me show you. See, look how high it raised. Like that. See, like there we go. Yeah, isn't it good?
Yeah, creamy.
I think I'm creamy.
Very creamy.
I think I'm gonna do that from now on.
Yep.
I did put a dollop of sour cream in too.
That makes sense. I almost don't even detect the ham, it's so creamy.
Oh yeah? I put a lot of ham in there.
How about that?
All right, thank you, my taste tester extraordinaire.
What a burden.